This screencast is going to show you how to search through your comment bank. And I've set up a comment bank using the ordered comment list that I talked about in a previous video. And so I've got comments in the hundreds, the 200s, the 300s. And I've got a real small number here. But if you have a lot of these, searching through these or doing a query is very handy. Now, the teachers in BCeSIS don't use the query function all that much, but our clerical staff do all the time, so you can always ask them for a little help on this if you forget how to do queries. The way to do this is you need to do some keystrokes for this to work. On a PC, this is really simple. All you have to do is press F7 after you've clicked in the code or the description. And that clears everything out of here. It doesn't mean that everything's deleted. It just means that if you look down in the bottom left hand side, it says enter a query, press F8 to execute, Control Q to cancel. So I've started a query, so I'm telling it to search for something, and I can tell it to search for the number 1. Well, that's not a very good search because we're looking for something with a 1 in it. Actually, only for the thing with a 1 in it. What you need to do also is add a wildcard. So the wildcard in BCeSIS is a %sign, and a %sign or a wildcard means that it could be anything. So what this query is going to do is search for anything that starts with a 1 and finishes with anything. So to finish my query, I'm going to hit F8. It's going to show me all the 100s. Now, if you're on a Mac, you can do this as well, but it depends on your keyboard shortcuts. So give it a try, just F7 or F8. If that doesn't work, try Function, which is the FN key in the bottom left-hand side, F7 and F8. And if that doesn't work, you need to go into System Preferences on your Mac. So click on the Apple, System Preferences, Keyboards, and check your shortcuts in there and see if there's anything assigned to F7, F8. If there is assigned to F7, F8, just clear those out, and then you'll be able to do this. So back to this. This is handy if if my 100 level comments are social studies, and I just want to look at my 100 level comments. Now I've got all my 100s in front of me. I can pick what I want and hit copy. Okay, so those could be just for social studies. If this was for math, maybe those are my 200 level comments. So I could put 2 and a wildcard, and I do my F8 to search it, and it shows me all my 200 level comments. I could also look for all my comments that end with a 2 by doing F7 for the query and putting the wildcard in front. So there's all my comments that end with a 2. I'm not sure why you'd look for that. You could also look for all the words or all the comments that have the word comment somewhere in the middle. So %sign means anything before, and a %sign afterwards means anything afterwards. And hit F8 and do your search. So there I've got a couple things that say comment. So that's how you can search using F7 to start your query, enter what you're looking for using a wildcard, and F8 to search for it and show you the results.